guys, we will make banana cake. Yung ating ingredients is 4 cup flour. Ano to guys? Wheat flour. 1/4 cup homemade butter. 3 eggs. 2 tablespoons vanilla. 1 1/2 cup milk. 1/4 cup melted butter. 1/4 cup raisin. 1/2 cup choco chips. 1/2 cup brown sugar. Lagay din tayo ng 1 tablespoon. And mayroon akong overripe na banana, 5 pieces. So, i-smash muna natin yung ating banana now. So, all we have to do is paghaluin natin lahat yung mga ingredients. So, alalay lang natin ihalo yung ating ready na yung ating ingredients. So, ang first steps na gagawin natin, i-oven na ay i-ano natin, i-steam for 30 minutes and then i-open for almost 10 to 20 minutes. Ilagay na natin sa molder natin to guys. So, dito sa ating molder, lalagyan natin ng melted butter. It's either melted butter or kung mayroon kayong pang-spray dyan or langis, pwede nyo lagyan para madali lang siya tanggalin. Ayan. So, i-steam muna natin ito guys. Ayan guys, luto na siya. So, i-oven natin at least 15 minutes. This is now my perfect banana cake. As you can see, ayan, super yummy. Thank you so much for watching.